G'day everyone, today we're building this Mayan pyramid right here. Make sure you check out the description below, which has a list of all the tools, materials, alternative elements which could be used to swap out for this piece, as well as any other elements which could connect to it in some way. We're using car tyres for this one. You can use either. This might just save you if you do have to buy your tyres. Truck tyres can be quite expensive. So for this one, we've cut off one of the sidewall of all of these pieces, and we're giving that a priming coat over the top. For the base of it, you can use truck tyres, but we've gone for car tyres here, which is what was available to us, and we've just marked out where these tyres are going to connect. Make sure you label those tyres as well, A, B, C, whatever you like. So we've got our base layer for the Mayan pyramid here, and we're just filling that in with a lot of earth, and now we're packing that dirt in really tight. You want to compact that. You can use sand as well if that's available to you. Now we've got the second layer on there, and we can start putting the rest of this pyramid together. So once you've got those side walls, roof and front and back ties in place, you can then bolt them all together, making the top. I find it's best to actually build the whole thing on top of the pyramid as you go. With all of these pieces, you want to make sure that you've got good mosquito holes, we call them. Anywhere where water can be pooling, you want to make sure you've got some really big holes so you can't have any debris getting caught in there. If you've got a hole saw that works on nylon tyres, that's really great. Otherwise, a really large drill bit, and drill a few holes and then cut those around. So this design, as well as all of our designs, are made to be used in conjunction with the free safety handbook, which is available from the website. It's just down there.
Hey, what did you think of the video? Please let us know down below in the comments. And please don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more of what Patrick's doing in India. You can go and visit playgroundideas.org, which has 150 designs and all the resources that you need to build an awesome playground. And lastly, we've got a ton more videos to watch, so check them out here.